Good morning, all of you. I Razia Pathan from Grand Majid Vidyapith, Standard 5th. So, students, today we'll start unit number 5th, revision, worksheet number 3rd. Before starting worksheet number 3rd, I'll show you something. How to find the multiples of 3. How to find the multiples of 3. So, in that, find the multiples of 3. So, here we have to follow the steps. First of all, we have to draw some blanks. What we have to draw first? We have to draw some blanks. Write the given numbers in the first blank. First blank में हम क्या करेंगे? Given number. So that number is a 3. Which that number is 3. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply the numbers by 2. Now हम क्या करेंगे? Numbers को 2 के साथ multiply करेंगे. Write the products in the second blank. Second blank में हम क्या करेंगे? Products लिखेंगे. 2 3s are 6. What we have to write here? 2 3s are 6. Got it? Then multiply the numbers by 3. Write the products in the third blank. Now हम क्या करेंगे? Third blank में products लिखेंगे. 3 3s are 9. Same. Now skip multiply the numbers by 4 5 6 till you fill all the blanks. So in that 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. Got it? So, the multiples of 3 are, which one is there? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. These all are multiples of 3. Now, look at this everyone first, multiples of 3. Okay, students, now we'll learn about properties of multiples. Properties of multiples. So, in that, property every numbers is a multiples of 1. सभी नंबर से वो 1 की मल्टीपल्स हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 1 जा 1, 1 2 जा 2, 1 3 जा 3, 1 4 जा 4, 1 5 जा 5, 1 6 जा 6, 1 7 जा 7, 1 8 जा 8, 1 9 जा 9, 1 10 जा 10. So the multiples of ones are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Okay. Now property 2. Every numbers is a multiples of itself. For example, 3 1s are 3. So 3 is a multiples of 3. 105 into 1 is equal to 105. 105 is multiples of 5. Multiples of 105. 3 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 is a multiples of 5. 73 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 is a multiples of 33. Then property number 4. All multiples of a numbers except 0 are greater than or equal to the number. Property 4. All multiples of a numbers except 0 are greater than or equal to the numbers. So in that 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. All these numbers are equal or greater than 2. All these numbers are equal or greater than 2. Okay, students. Now property number 5. Every number has its infinite number. Every number has infinite number. 1 5s are 5, 1 2 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 500s are 500. So we can keep having higher multiples of numbers. We can keep having higher multiples of numbers. Now property number 6. The products of two numbers is multiples of each of the two numbers. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Okay. So in that 12 is a multiples of 3 because it is in the table of 3. 12 is a multiples of 4 because it is in the table of 4. 12 is a multiples of 3 because it is in the table of 3. 12 is a multiples of 4. 12 is a multiples of 4 because it is in the table of 4. Got it, everyone? Now, property number 6. The products of two numbers is a multiples of each of the two numbers. The products of two numbers is a multiples of each of the two numbers. 13 is a multiples of 5 because it is a table of 5. 30 is a multiples of 6 because it is in the table of 6. Seventh one, properties. Property number 7. If two numbers have a product, then a multiples of the product is also multiples of each of the two numbers. If two numbers have a product, then a multiples of the products is also a multiples of each of the two numbers. 2 3s are 6. The two number are 2 and 3. Their products is 6. 12 is a multiples of 6. We can see that 12 is also a multiples of 2 and 3. Since 2 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Got it? Now, so students, today we will learn 7 properties. That properties I'll show you one by one. Just we revise quickly. Property number 1. Every number is in the multiples of 1. Every number is a multiples of itself. Okay. Then 0 is a multiples of every numbers. All multiples of numbers except 0 are greater than or equal to the other number. Every number has a infinity multiples. The products of two numbers is multiples of each of the two numbers. The products of two number is a multiples of each of the two numbers. Then last one, if two numbers have a products, then a multiples of the products is also multiples of each of the two numbers. Got it? So this all are multiples, properties of multiples. 7 properties of multiples are there. Now look at this, everyone. Okay students, now see. Here I show you properties of multiples. So in that, every number is a multiples of 1. Every number is a multiples of number 1. Property numbers 2. Every number is a multiples of itself. Property number 3. 0 is a multiples of every numbers. Property number 4. All multiples of numbers except 0 greater than or equal to 4 equal to the number. Property of 4. Every number has a infinite multiples. Property number 6. The products of two numbers is a multiples of each the two numbers. Property number 7. If two numbers have a product, then a multiples of the products is also a multiples of the each of the two numbers. Okay, so these are properties of numbers. Now we'll start our worksheet. Okay students, now we'll start worksheet number 3, multiples, filling the blanks. The first one has done for you. 4 2s are 8. 8 is a multiples of 4 and 2. Like that, 8 4s are 32. 32 is a multiples of 8 and 4. 3 7s are 21. 21 is a multiples of 3 and 7. 12 4s are 48. 48 is a multiples of 12 and 4. 6 7s are 42. 42 is a multiples of 6 and 7. 9 11s are 99. 99 is a multiples of the 9 and 11. 12 7s are 84. 84 is a multiples of the 12 and 7. Now look at this, everyone. I'll give you 1 minute to how to complete your work. Okay, students, I hope so your work is complete. Okay, students, now second one question. Second one question is circle the multiples of the numbers given. Circle the multiples of numbers given. So, in that 5, 15, multiples of 5 is 15, 13, 10, 45 and 25. Now next one is 3. So in that 12, 24, 42, 80, 54. This all are multiples of 3. This all are multiples of 3. Now next 9. Multiples of 9. 36, 9, 81, 54. These all are multiples of 9. Then 11. Multiples of 11. So in that 33, 66, 99. Then multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 is 16, 20, 130, 118. These all are multiples of 10. Then 13. So in that multiples of 13 is 71, 78, 104, 91 and 130. Then 16 one. In the 16, multiples of 16 is 18, 16, 114, 112. Now multiples of 20. In that 40, 60, 180. Now look at this everyone. I'll give you one means you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet, worksheet number 4. Worksheet number 4, properties of multiples. So already I explained the 7 types of properties. Again I'll explain it. Properties of 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 0, 1 fours are 4. So the multiples of 1 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Then property number 2. 2 ones are 2, 4 into 4 ones are 4 is equal to 4. So the 3 is the multiples of 3 and 4 is the multiples of 4. Now 10 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0. So 0 is multiples of 11 and 6. Multiples of 11 and 6. Then the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All the multiples are equal or greater than 2. Property number 5. The multiples of 3 are 3, 9, 12, 15, 18. The next multiples of 3 is then 27, and then we can keep having higher multiples of multiples. numbers. Then next one is property number 6. 3 4s are 12. 12 is the multiples of 3 because it is the tables of 3 gem 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 is the multiples of 4 also because it is in the table of 4 and 4 gem 4, 8. 2 3s are 6. Multiples of 6 are 12, 30, 24. So students, 12 is the multiples of 6. 12 is the multiples of 2 as 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 12. So now students, you all are knowing the properties. What was the properties क्या है वो आप सबको मालूम है, ठीक है. Now what was your homework is there, you have to complete the worksheet number 3rd in your rough book and send it to us before 3 o'clock. Okay everyone, I hope so your work is going on good and well, and you are doing the maths practice also at home. So this is your homework. You have to write the properties. You have to write the properties of multiples, and also you have to write in a rough book worksheet number 3rd. That is your homework. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day. Bye everyone.